Hey guys, welcome to Fur Tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool and lighting text effect with using Octane Render. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a simple plane, this one, and increase plane size. Guys, size I take 1000 centimeter and height same 1000. Yeah. And I go to display, select God shading lines, and second object guys I apply more text. So guys, this time I use spline, this one spline text, and guys you can take any type name like area. Yeah, and alignment take middle. Guys, you can type any your name. Okay, I also change font use some bold and thick. I like this one. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now select this text and rotate 90 degree and go on here. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, I take extrude tool, select this text and make child with extrude. Yes, guys, select this extrude and change movement. So all 0 and mid one increase, like 30 is good, and actually 35. Yes, and select this more text. Guys, little bit down. Yeah, that's it. Right. Okay, so guys, for lighting I take more text, so select this one spline text and copy. Yeah, and use circle. Guys, circle radius I take like 1 and use swap tool. Guys, select this text and circle and make child with swap. Yes, guys, select the swap tool and go on up like this. Yes, see, right. Okay guys, change circle radius, this one, and I take like 2. Yes, and guys, select the swap tool and copy, go to down. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple shape, right? Okay, so now guys, I apply JS placement texture. I show you. See guys, that's my JS placement. Select and open. Yeah, see guys, right? Okay, so go on menu and use second one and create texture. So click on generate displacement map. Yes, right, and save, highlight, select this and go on desktop, save. Yeah, okay, so guys, second texture I use wire, black wire, and click. Guys, I change layer count, decrease, and guys go on random and step change. Yeah, and max width change. Yes, see guys, right, that's my background. So save again and go on desktop. Yeah, and guys, one more time, decrease step length and wire change, decrease also count. Yes, right. Okay, so again save. Guys, I take 3 texture, so close, and see guys, that's my texture. That's my first one and second one and third one. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, apply one by one. So go on Cinema 4D and create texture and open this texture. So double click on this Octane material. I go on Node Editor. Guys, I create texture for plane and go to desktop. Guys, that's my texture. Drag and drop in Node Editor. Yes, and use displacement map. Yeah, connect with input and connect with displacement map. Yeah, okay, so guys, select this input and level of detail I take full, amount I take like 20. Yeah, and diffuse color I take dark gray color, dark gray. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now I apply this liner texture, this one, drag and drop in Node Editor. Okay, so guys, select this texture and this time I use black body emission and connect with texture and connect with emission. Yes. Guys, select this emission and surface brightness check, double sided check. Yeah. And guys, temperature, this one, I take 2200, 2 and 00. Yes. And see guys, that's my texture. So close and apply on plane. Yes. So guys, now save this project. Save. Yeah. And I go to Octane and use live viewer window. Drag and drop on left side. Yeah. And click on here. Yes. Right. Okay. Now guys, I change layout setting. So go on render setting. And guys, size I take 1000 and 1000. Yes. So close and closer. Yes. Guys, my camera angle like this. Yeah. Guys, select this material and I change UV. UV I take like 75 and 75. Yeah. Okay. Guys, seamless check. And guys, again I change like 70 is good. 70 and 70. Yes, better. And I select this plane. Go on here. Like this. Yeah, better, right? Okay. So guys, now go on camera. So I go to object and take Octane camera and camera check. Guys, select this camera and post processing check and bloom power I take like 10. Yes, better. And camera imager enable. Guys, exposure 0.9, 0.9. Yes, really good. Okay, so guys, now I use HDRI environment. So select this HDRI environment and power I take 0. Yes, better, right? Okay, so guys, so now I uncheck. Yes, and camera uncheck. And now I take light. So use area light. And guys, rotate this light. Rotate minus 90 degree. Yes. And go to back here. Guys, little bit up. Yeah, better. Okay, so guys, select this light. Go on light tag. And guys, double sided also check. And texture, use RGB spectrum. And color, I take blue. Blue color. Yes. And closer. Like this. And now, guys, copy this light. And go on here. And rotate 90 degree. Yes. And guys, change only color. I take red. Yes. Okay. So guys, go to back. And I go to visibility. Camera visibility uncheck. Shadow visibility uncheck. And same. Shadow and camera visibility uncheck. Yeah. And I go to camera. Yes. Better. And guys, go to sky. Octane sky. And now check. Yes. Really good. Right. Okay. So guys, select this extrude and text all. And little bit up. Little bit. Yes. Guys, select all. Yeah. Right. Okay. So guys, now I create texture for more text. And create texture. Actually guys, select this texture, this one, and copy. Yes. Right. Okay. So guys, select this texture and rename. That's my text. And second one, that's my plane. Yes. So guys, select this text and apply on extrude. Yes. Guys, select this extrude and change UV. I take cubic. Yes. Better. And guys, select this text. Guys, I change some setting on displacement map mid level. I take like 0.5. Yes. right? I take 0.5 mid-level. Yeah, and guys, select this camera and copy. So closer, like this, right? Okay, so guys, now I create lighting for this swap tool, this one. And guys, this time take octane material. Guys, select this emission and take this time text emission and double-sided check and surface brightness check and use RGB spectrum. Yeah, and take orange color. Yes, and power I take 50%. 50, yes, right? Okay, so guys, apply on swap 1, actually swap tool, upper one, and copy and only change color. This time I take blue color. Yes. Yeah, and apply on swap 1. That's my second. And go on camera. Yeah. Guys, I also change circle radius like 1. Yes, also good. So guys, now I take plane. So select this plane and make smaller and apply on same material on plane, blue material, and go on here. Yes, and little bit up. So guys, select this plane and I go to chord, increase height, little bit more. Yeah, better. Yes, see guys, right? And copy this plane and apply on right side. Yes, and up y-axis. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful lighting. And now guys, select this light and little bit increase power like 200, actually 150, and same 150. Yes, right? See guys, that's my lighting. Okay guys, now you can change also UV. This one, select and like 150 and 150. Yeah, this is also better. Guys, you can take anything, right? Okay, so guys, closer like this, right? Okay, so guys, all is good. Now go on camera and stop this rendering. I go to render setting and final render setting, guys, I take like 2000 and specular depth I take 6, 3 and 3. Yeah, so close and go on render setting here and change also render to octane and all use GPU check and click on here. And I change guys also color correction. So color correction, so I go to filter, enable filter check. I take like 20 and contrast 10. Yes. See guys, that's my beautiful text. So I show you my final render. See guys, that's my final render, right? See, that's really beautiful lighting, right? Okay, so guys, that's it. It's my beautiful render and more text effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.